So changing your world from the outside is never going to work for you. It's going to stress you out. Because remember, everything comes from your imagination. Where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So you trying to change the outside world, it's like you trying to look in the mirror and then break in the mirror and expecting yourself to look different. Okay, so it's not going to happen until you change yourself. Once you change yourself and you look in the mirror, then you're going to have a different appearance. So the best manifestation for you to work on is the one that you believe that works the best. You can try 1,000 techniques, but if you don't believe in them and you don't try them, they're not going to work. And you're going to say, see, I knew it didn't work. But they all work. So just pick one, believe in yourself, and then just give it a try. That's all you have to do.